The Best Western in Cooperstown, New York. Beverly and I enjoyed our stay at the BW in Cooperstown and at the BW because the staff were very helpful and courteous, the accommodations were excellent, and the breakfasts were excellent. Couples trip. We visited Cooperstown during our couples' first annual trip and had a great 2-night stay. Big plus, adjoining rooms with mountain views. Rooms were clean, staff was friendly and location was key. The hotel is near plenty of restaurants, breweries and shops, large grocery and liquor store next to the hotel. So, after checking out I was in a bind needing tickets to be printed for our next adventure in a town 3 hours away. The extremely helpful gentleman at the front desk printed each ticket without question. He saved us time and money. Near the hall, one of 2 name brand hotels near the Hall of Fame. Renovated and reasonably priced. Exceptional. Overpriced. Nice property, nice, clean, comfortable rooms. Hotel is within 10 minutes of downtown Cooperstown, easily accessible from the road. Cooperstown Hotel fine, but a go-to international fee of $4.37 added to the final purchase doesn't sit well with me. As good as any choice you have. BW is as good as any of the limited choices you have in the area. Close enough to Cooperstown, and if you go in high season, we did not, it is close to several pickup spots for the trolley into town. The free breakfast falls under you get what you pay for, as it was not much, but this could be due to the COVID restrictions. We didn't use them, but there was nice indoor pool, especially if you have kids, and a small gym. Located in a strip mall, so if you need groceries, snacks, a quick bite to eat, McDonald's, you can find that by walking out the door.